You are welcome to online learning. My name is Osayan Kachi, your math teacher. What we are taking on today is special angles. I want to put you through on special angles so that it will just be easy for us to go through. When you want to solve a triangle or during let's say bearing that you don't have, so to say, calculator, or you don't have tables, this is the method or the best way for you to solve them. If you have angles like 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees, you can solve them perfectly without using calculator or tables. So let's start with 45 degrees. But first of all, before we start with 45 degrees, if you have a triangle, a right angle triangle, you know this is a right angle triangle. You have A, B, and C. You have A, this is your B, and this is your C. So for you to find the value of this, assuming you were given the values of x using Pythagoras theorem, what you will do is A square is equal to B square plus C square, and your A will be equal to the square root of plus or minus B square plus C square. That is when you are talking about finding the value of A. And if we have, say, values for B and C, we are done with solving. But mind you, when we are doing this, if we are just calculating for these special angles and you don't have a square, a perfect square number, please don't calculate it to get the square root of what you have or what you were given. So let's say we have this now, a right angle triangle, like I was saying. You have a right angle triangle. Let me draw it very well. You have a right angle triangle. You know, this is 90 and here is 45 degree, and here is 45 degree. It can also be called isosceles triangle. It is an isosceles triangle because the two sides are equal. You have this, you have this. We are looking for this side, like we did here. So that's the hypotenuse, the sides, the biggest sides in a right angle triangle. That's the hypotenuse. So with this now, you can easily find this. So we have, with this now, we don't have anything here. You have A. Let's say A. We have 1 square plus 1 square. 1 square plus 1 square is equal to A square. I have just interchanged it. So A square now is equal to 2. So A is equal to a square root of 2. This is how you have to solve it. So with this, anything you want to solve that involves 45 degree, you can easily solve it without having headache. But don't worry, we will solve more examples. We will solve examples because I'm just trying to show you how to do them. When we solve examples, it will be easy for us to do. See you in the next video. Be patient, don't go anywhere. I'll be back.